if you get this email, you need to do something about it. If you get this email, it means that Google Analytics has set up a GA4 property for you or applied some settings to one that you created yourself. Either way, they want you to confirm that the settings they auto-applied are accurate for your situation or what you want. The confusing part is they're saying validate your property, but validating your property isn't really a thing. And the help article, at least as of right now, to learn more about how to validate your new property, doesn't say anything about validate. What happens if you click on the validate your property button is it takes you to the GA4 Setup Assistant checklist. And it wants you to manually check everything off to confirm that the settings are the way that you want them, that everything's being collected the way that you want it to. Your events are configured, your conversions are configured, your connections to your Google Ads accounts are configured, your audiences are configured, etc., etc., etc. So they want you to manually check off each item in that setup checklist, and that's what they mean by validate. So as per usual, Google's making things way more confusing than they need to be, but if you need help with any of this, I'm Pam, aka the Google Analytics chick, and my company specializes in Google Analytics, so feel free to reach out if you need help.